It's Mrs. Blinn.
And Mr. Rops.
And we're combining some ideas here to solve some problems.
Right. So we have this yummy cake here that has had a slice removed from it. And the cake is 10 inches high and has a radius of 3 inches. What's the volume of the remaining cake? And we know 75 degrees have been removed from it.
All right.
So we have to consider how to find the volume of it.
Okay. So volume we know is going to be,
and we've been saying this over and over and over again,
area of the base times the height.
Right. Now the height is easy. That's 10. We're told that.
Yeah.
The tricky part is the area of the base this time.
Right. So we just need to find this part right here. We just have to scribble it. All right.
The Pac-Man piece.
All right. So how to find that?
Well, we learned early on in this unit, that to find the sector, area of a sector, which is what that is area over the whole circle, which was...
Oh. Okay, so it is area of the whole circle?
Right, or we could go area of the base, so we can call that A, because we call that A, so to shorten it up. Is that okay?
Yeah, so
area of that sector.
Of the sector over pi
r squared
times radius squared. Our radius is 3, so times 2 equals. And we have to know what this is, right?
All right, we're missing 75, so 360 minus 75 is 285. Is
that right?
Is that 285 or 275? It's too late in the day to figure that out for sure. Those dashly tens places always mess me up. 285. Okay, so I know I have 285 degrees left, which corresponds to the area I'm looking for.
Over a total of?
360, the whole circle.
All right, so we can just find this quick by using our calculator. So we have 285 times
9 pi.
And I can just go ahead and divide it by 360.
Sweet.
And I get...
Let's keep lots of decimal places. 2.383. 384, sorry.
384. That's the area of our base.
Right. So 2.384.
And then we multiply it by the height.
Right.
Times 10. That's easy. Move it one place over.
Right, so I go, so the volume is 223 inches.
224?
Oh, we have to move the decimal place. Oh, right, you're right. I'm sorry, 224
centimeter, or inches.
Inches cubed. Great.
Go to the next one.
Next one. The figure to the right is a hemisphere on top of a cylinder.
We all know that by now that a hemisphere is?
Half a circle, half a sphere. Oh, not circle, a sphere. All right. The surface area to the right is 175 pi centimeters squared.
All right. I'm going to write that down.
So the whole surface area is that value. The base area is 25. We want to find the height of the cylinder.
All right. Well, let's talk about what the surface area, how would we find that? We have a hemisphere plus...
We have the base of the base circle.
Plus the, you're going to do like this. Plus base?
The base of the circle, and then we have like the curvy part.
Of the cylinder.
Of the cylinder.
Okay. Okay. Let's just go ahead and talk about this. Hemisphere. We know that it's surface area, so it's half of our 4 pi r squared. We all have that memorized from the oranges.
All right.
The base, well, that's this right here. We can say pi r squared.
Right.
If we just keep with the formulas. And remember now with the cylinder, we're only taking of the curvy part.
Right, the curvy part.
And we know from a regular cylinder, the area would be, of the curvy part, 2 pi RH.
Okay, so, and we know the whole surface area is 175.
Let's start substituting in.
Yeah.
175 pi equals
2 pi r squared. Do we know what r is?
Ah, yes.
are. Well, we
better
know.
Find that out, though.
We can find that out. 25 pi is the base area.
And we know that this is a circle, so area is pi r squared. And if it's 25 pi, I can recognize without even calculating that r is
5.
That's easy.
Okay.
So we can say 2 times
pi
25 times pi. And then we have the area of the base, which we don't even have to use this formula because we know it's 25 pi.
Right.
Plus 2 pi
times 5
times h.
All right.
All right, let's get rid of some of this stuff and simplify it out.
So we get 50 pi plus 25 pi
plus 10 pi h. Okay.
Yep.
175 pi.
So now it's just algebra. All the geometry part's done, right? So I get 75 pi
plus 10 pi h. Okay, minus 75 pi from both sides.
All right, so I get
left with 100 pi.
All this pi is making me get hungry.
Cake.
Cake.
I like cake better than pie. Okay, divide by 10 pi, and we get 10.
Pi's cancel. 10 is the height.
Oh, that was so easy, but it is in centimeters. That's it.
That's it. Great.